Hello students, in this question is given to us that a man holding a flag is running in northeast direction with speed of 10 meter per second. Wind is blowing in east direction with speed of 5 √2 meter per second. Find the direction in which the flag will flutter. So there is a man who is going in northeast direction. So let us draw its diagram. I am assuming this to be east direction, this to be north direction. So there is a man who is going in northeast direction and the speed of man is only 10 meter per second. Now wind is blowing in east direction with a speed of 5 √2 meter per second. So the direction of wind is going in this direction, in east direction with speed of 5 √2 meter per second. We need to find the direction in which flag will flutter. So flag, if you observe a flag, it's always move opposite to the direction of velocity. If a man is moving in some direction, then the flag will go in opposite direction. And similarly for wind, if wind is going in a direction, so flag will flutter in that direction only. So due to wind, the flag will flutter in this direction. Due to man's velocity, flag will flutter in this direction. So this and this, the resultant of these two will be the final direction of the velocity of the direction of the flutter. So in order to find the velocities or the direction of flutter, we need to take the negative of velocity of man and add velocity of wind in it. We need to take the negative of velocity of man and add velocity of wind in it. Negative of velocity of man is going out to be in this direction and its magnitude is 10 meter per second, and we need to add velocity of wind which is along east direction 5 √2 meter per second. So if I take the component of this velocity of man, negative of that, in west direction and south direction, these are going to be 5 √2 and 5 √2. Now the addition of this velocities, this 5 √2 and this 5 √2 will get cancelled out, and I will get only 5 √2 in south direction. So the resultant velocity is in south direction. So flag should flutter. Flag should flutter in south direction. So answer should be south. Thank you.